Welcome to another Agile ticketing training series. Today we're going to learn how to process a refund. Most organizations have a strict no refunds policy in place, but there are always exceptions to the rules where a full or partial refund must be made. Refunds should only be processed if it is authorized by the box office manager in charge. Please check with your manager before processing any refund. Organizations can lock down which groups can perform this action. If you cannot follow these steps, you may not have valid order maintenance permissions and should talk to your manager. In the sales application, click on the maintenance icon. Maintenance is where you'll be able to look up any existing orders. There are many ways to look up an existing order in maintenance. You can search by the order number, the last name, the customer number, the credit card or gift card under document number. You can look up for the entire organization, or you can look for just the orders that you yourself as the user sold or maintained. You can also scan or enter in the barcode number to look up a specific order. And you can also enter the membership number if it is a member purchase order. For this, I'm going to click on last orders you sold or maintained. As you can see here, there's a list of orders that appear, and the more sales that you have, the more orders there are in maintenance. In this main screen, the very top order is the most recent order that was processed. You can see here the order date and time, as well as the date that was changed. So this is when the order was finalized and processed. I'm going to go ahead and double click on the order that I want to make the refund on. And in this order, I'm going to do a partial refund first. So I'm going to select the film that I want to refund, or I can select the single ticket that I want to refund. And at the bottom, you can see once I've checkmarked the ticket that I want to refund, we've got all of these icons down here at the bottom that allows us to change any items in this order. I'm going to select the big red X at the bottom of the screen, and you can see here that it's prompting me that these tickets have already been printed and fulfilled. We can tell this because the tickets are actually blue and you have a fulfillment date and time that's associated here that shows that they were printed. We're going to select all because we do want to refund that one ticket that I've checked, and you can see it strikes through everything here. Now we want to go ahead and proceed to the payment screen so we can process the refund. So there's a $10 refund that is due, and I'm going to select cash because this was a cash sale. If this had been a credit card order, and I'll show you in a different order, but if this was a credit card order, you would see at the bottom of the screen the credit card number with the last 4 digits and how much can be refunded on that card. I'm going to select cash, and then I'm going to submit my refund and then finalize. Now, if this was a box office transaction with a credit card, you would have gotten a refund credit receipt for the customer to sign. And if it's just a cash, of course, just open up the cash drawer and give them their money that they're due back. So in this next order, this is a credit card order, and I'm going to show you how to go in and see that it will allow you to refund back to the credit card. I'm going to open up the order. I'm going to check mark the ticket that I want to refund, hit the big red X, and I'm going to click all because we know that we're voiding this out and refunding the ticket. Go ahead and proceed to the payment screen, and you can see here we have a Visa ending in 1111, and we can refund up to $22 because the entire order was $22, but we're only refunding one of the tickets. So I'm going to click on that information here to process the refund, and you can see it populates all of the information, and we're going to submit refund and then finalize. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to contact us at support@agiletix.com.